So nice. Oh, bakit? Uy, ay, 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 ay. So, nandito na ako sa parking lot, guys. Oh, so nice. It's a beautiful color. It's the sign of the summer here in Norwegian. That is winter now. Oh, enjoy. So, mag-start na tayo. Work muna tayo. It's my start is 9 o'clock. So, let's go. Sky, guys. It's so nice and beautiful. Yes, it's so amazing color here now. So, I'm going to drive my car to work. It's almost 8:45. I starting to work is 9 o'clock. So, see you later. Captured of my camera, guys. It's a beautiful. Oh, so beautiful, guys. It's so nice. It's so amazing. Oh, the capture the moment of my camera. It's a beautiful. Yeah. Good evening, guys. I'm back home. So that's dinner today. Nag-fry lang akong sausage. This is sausage. Of course, mayroon tayong homemade nga gravy. Gumamit na tayong smooth, butter, and flour. Of course, cooked potato, guys. Hindi yan makalimutan. And this is the kohlrabi mas. So this is it. It's dinner today. So let's eat. Let's eat for dinner today. It's fried sausage and potato and gravy. Of course, mayroon tang kohlmas. So this is it. Eating time. Kain na tayo, guys. Let's eat. Let's eat. Served today.
I'm happy the food is served every day.
Welcome. So this is my midnight snack, guys. Ako'y naggutom. So magpa-fry tayo ng egg omelette. Ito yung bread ko. Nilagyan ko na siya ng butter, a little bit scampi, and then hintayin na lang natin yung sari-sari big. So let's eat my midnight snack. That is bread and egg. Eating time. It's almost 8:45 na, guys. Pero gusto pa kong kumain. Nagutom ako kasi kinain ko lang kanina sausage. Yummy, yummy. Matulog na ako mga alas 10 pero nagutom ako. Sarap. Kain tayo. Ako'y nagutom. Tapusin ko lang ito, guys. Pagkain ko ito at maya mga alas 10 kakain naman tayo. Natutulog naman tayo, going to sleep and work tomorrow again. So that is life here in Norwegian. And then this is it. So, natapos na tayong pagkain. Ang gawin naman natin sunod, mag-washing tayo. Ilagay natin, ano natin yung machine. Ready yung machine natin, guys. Yun na, dahil napuno na siya. Ilagay natin dito and start. Yan. I-start na natin to wait like this and start. So, start na siya, guys. So, ready na yan. Tapos na tayong nag-midnight snacks and then, start natin. Planning to ship. Ready ko lang yung gawin kong breakfast tomorrow. So, mayroon tayong 1 apple and 1 avocado and 1 a little bit carrot. So this is for breakfast tomorrow. So we